Hey, guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what?
It's your birthday.
It is my birthday. I'm about, let's see, I think I'm 22 now. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm going with 54.
You're an ass. So what's up, you guys? Hey, first off, thanks out the gate for all the birthday wishes all day. Really appreciate it. And I'm 45, regardless of what Tom says. That's all right. Yours is coming in November. All right, let's tune you in, y'all. So look, here's that bedroom that we were still lacking. We got all that finished out in there. Boy, this is really coming together. We got a threshold here, needs to go down 2 different levels on those floors. So this was the main, of course, spread. We wanted all this right. A lot of furniture still to go back, but remember we had painted all that back there. Everything's done. We are down to some of these transitions. Okay, so we got some nickels and dimes everywhere. But look at that handrail now. Woo! So as you can see, that takes a lot of time. So all those are done. I capped up the top of it, already finished out the end here. We got our treads and risers that we are getting today. We're going to end up doing that handrail over there. This right here is going to take a little bit to get that finished up. We got a couple of lights right up there. We're doing all the switches and everything, but look, all these doors are done. We're switching that light out. Just getting everything wrapped up, and we're getting, of course, some new vents. Since then, remember we were starting this week with the holiday we were off. Tomorrow or Friday, one of the two, we're going to be mounting that TV up there. We've since painted 2 coats, all this crown mold. Okay, and we had to have this done to put in this transition. And since then, we've already popped all these. I've got some drywall work to sew this one up. And coming around the corner here, we're down to painting all this to make all this come together. Now on the front side, we're going to put a really pretty marble stone right on the front wall here. This entire thing's going to look really good. It's going to go with the whole paint scheme and everything. So that is what is going on here. We've got a few more days to go, and we're going to be wrapping this one up. So we just wanted to show you all what was left. That's our treads and risers. We're going to be popping. So, I mean, all in all, it's coming together. We're just about done. They're happy. Just a bunch of loose ends left. So, again, you all, thanks a lot for the birthday wishes. We appreciate it. Until the next one, we'll see y'all back real soon.